Hello and welcome to this beginner's English lesson on greetings. In this video, we'll learn some basic greetings and how to use them in everyday conversations. Greetings are essential for starting conversations and showing politeness. Let's get started. The most common greeting is hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Great job. Hello is a versatile greeting that can be used in formal and informal situations. Works for almost every conversation. Another common greeting is hi. Say it with me. Hi. Excellent. Hi is a more casual and friendly greeting, often used with friends, family, or people of a similar age. Another common greeting is hey. Repeat after me. Hey. Well done. This greeting is an informal greeting. Another common greeting is howdy. Say it with me. Howdy. Excellent. Howdy is a cowboy-style informal greetings. Another common greeting is greetings. Repeat after me. Greetings. Great job. Greetings is quite formal and rarely used informally for humor. To greet someone in the morning, you can say, good morning. Say it with me. Good morning. Perfect. Good morning is used from the time you wake up until around noon. In the afternoon, you can use the greeting, good afternoon. Repeat after me. Good afternoon. Great job. Good afternoon is used from around noon until early evening. When it's getting dark or in the evening, you can say, good evening. Say it with me. Good evening. Excellent. Good evening is a polite way to greet someone after sunset. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, nice to meet you. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Well done. This greeting shows that you are pleased to make their acquaintance. Finally, when saying goodbye, you can use goodbye or bye. Repeat after me. Goodbye or bye. Well done. Both are commonly used to bid farewell to someone. Now, let's put these greetings into practice. Let's listen to this conversation between Adam and Luna. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Luna.
Where are you from?
I'm from France. I'm French.
Oh. Great. I love France.
I'm from Paris, but I'm in England to learn English.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister and two brothers.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Remember, greetings are an important part of communication. Practice using these greetings in different situations to build confidence and establish rapport with others. That's it for this beginner's lesson on greetings in English. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this lesson helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.